Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a pickle made with tomatillos. These are called tomatillos and the other name for this is Mexican husk tomatoes. So these tomatoes look green and they have this husk outside. You can remove this husk. Okay, and with these you can make pickle. I've already washed these tomatoes and I'm going to talk about the ingredients now. So for this you need tomatoes, you need pieces of garlic, red chili powder, okay, salt, mustard powder, turmeric, and vegetable or corn oil. Okay, so for this pickle I'm first going to cut these tomatoes. You can cut it into any shape, but I like this shape. So I'm going to cut these first. This is very easy and it tastes very good. My mom used to make this pickle when I was small. My brothers and I used to enjoy this very much. So I thought, as soon as I saw this in the store, it reminded me of the pickle that my mom used to make. So I thought I should make this. And as I said, it's very easy. So you can make the pickle and you can put it in the fridge for about 10 to 15 days and use it. Okay, so I've cut this. And now I'm going to put this in this container, and I'm adding this garlic as well. And this garlic is optional, it's up to you if you want to add it or not. Okay, so now I'm going to add just 1 spoon of green chili powder. This is super hot, so I'm going to add just 1 spoon. Okay, and this is mustard powder. I bought mustard from the Indian store and I've grinded it into powder. So I'm going to add like 1 spoon. And it's up to you, if you want you can add 2 spoons. And 1 spoon of salt. And pinch of turmeric. Then add either vegetable oil or corn oil or sesame oil. It's up to you, okay? So I'm adding 2 spoons. Now I'm going to mix this well. Since I've added salt to this, these pieces gets marinated really well with mustard powder and red chili powder, and it gives very good taste. And like in 1 or 2 days you can see the juice coming out from these tomatoes and it looks liquidy. So I'm going to leave this like this for about 24 hours. Let's check it tomorrow, okay? So friends, welcome back. So after 24 hours, this is how the pickle looks. So if you see, the tomatoes got marinated very well and the juice from the tomatoes came out. If you add more red chili powder and mustard powder, this juice looks thick and that it looks like a paste. So that paste you can mix in rice, mix it with ghee and then eat it. If not, you can mix this as well with rice and eat it. So this pickle tastes really, really good. Please try it at your home and let me know how it came out. Okay? Thank you all. Have a great one. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.